And kitchen remodel 2020 is complete. Yay! So today is Friday, June 5th, and Dino and his crew, Cleberson and William, just left. And they'll be back Monday and Tuesday to do some additional work outside, some paint. But today concluded the kitchen remodel. And we couldn't be happier. It came out really phenomenal. So this is walking in from the back door. Digital calendar. We had the blinds installed yesterday. So the blinds are pleated blinds with top down, bottom up functionality. Had a few shelves put in the corner there for knickknacks and devices and stuff. And between the kitchen and the computer room, and Dino installed a set of pocket doors and give us a much bigger pass-through going into the other side of the house. And today finished up all of the tile work and the range hood. That is now complete. There's the door to one of the back rooms. And there's the view looking at the range. Bathroom on the right. With the transom window up above the bathroom door. That's new. Lets a lot more light into that corner of the room. And then much bigger pass-through doorway going into the pantry area, and a much larger, almost twice the size, window in the pantry. Counters were installed this week also. All the finish work was completed. Any touch-ups that needed to be done. All the plumbing fixtures, those are all in now. And another pleated blind, top down, bottom up blind. This one has a motor, just because the top of the window is too high for Lisa to reach on her own. So that one has a little remote. You can just push the button to raise or lower, which is nice. Much bigger view now looking out the back. And tile work in the pantry. We kept the old cabinets from the top. Lisa spent a ton of work refinishing all these cabinets on the top a couple years ago, and there was no sense in removing those since they look great. They fit the theme and colors of the kitchen that we wanted. Some custom tile work in the little cubby hole there. Much more outlets, under cabinet lighting. Some of the outlets have USB ports and things that just make life a little bit easier in the modern age. Dino finished trimming around the microwave. And more tile work there. And then of course, icing on the cake is the pocket doors with the soft open functionality. So those pass right through into the computer room. And there's Lisa.
Nope.
Hi, hon.
Hi.
And Nelson's eating dinner. Gibson's hanging out chewing his bone. So, and then the view from the other side. This is the view standing in the computer room, which is the room in the middle of the house, leading into the kitchen. So, Frioni Home Improvements, top-notch quality work. Guy is awesome, but as Italian as they come, and very detail-oriented, critical about his work and a pleasure to work with. So there we go.